probably can't see nothing I got going on. Yeah. Y'all can see back there though, can't you? Yes, sir, it's your dog, man. Big low Mr. Ain't himself, man. We back out here, man, with another one of them things. Y'all can see me in MayRose lights, man. Okay. Yeah. Out here riding a little bit. Well, I ain't gonna say riding a little bit, man, because we really ain't doing nothing, but really ain't doing too much, man. Blak had called me. And I came down here, man. This my first time getting him on the channel since he done been painted, man. So I ain't gonna even hold y'all up. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what Blak got going on. He trying to hide his rims, you know what I mean? He trying to hide his rims up in the fenders and things like that. I don't know what he got going on, man. I don't know. Damn, Blak. What is that? Oh, some paper. I just, boy, a bird got you, didn't it? I saw like, damn. How the bird shit sideways on that junk? I see you got that roof in that thing. Got his wing back here. Take y'all ass on. I don't want no problems. I just tied my shoe, man. Now this already. Yes, sir. Y'all know what MayRose got going on. Blak, man. Y'all ain't followed. If y'all ain't subscribed to Memphis Blak already, man. What is it? Oh, it ain't OG Memphis Blak no more, is it? Memphis Blak. It's Memphis Blak. Yeah, B-L-A-K. Memphis Blak, B-L-A-K, man. YouTube. On YouTube. Y'all get to see this thing in action, man. Y'all get to see my all the videos. He was in Florida Classic. You know what I'm saying? He ride. You know, he did the switch up on the wheels. All that good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Interior been done. You ain't finna do nothing else there, though, ain't it? You ain't finna do nothing else to the interior, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm finna go back to all the grade.
Oh, okay.
All the original shit.
All the original.
Get some custom shit done to my rear deck and my back deck. My rear deck
and the dash, yeah. Ah, okay. 96 Impala, man. With the big roof in that junk. Yeah, we just out here chilling, man. Sitting up here at the Blue Monkey. We ain't doing too much. That's a liquor store right there? Yeah. I ain't know that. Man, I think I only been in this junk here one time. Cause there's a junk right here and there's a junk up there. Yeah. Yeah, that's the junk I thought you was at. Yeah. Yes, sir. We probably finna head on to the house, man. I just want to, man, come out and show y'all, man, a little something. MayRose sitting over, you know she holding it down. Y'all see them teeth, right? Y'all see them teeth? Had to put that bow on them, man. You know, she like to be pretty around the holidays, you know what I'm saying? Especially around Christmas time. She's talking a little bit, doing a little talking. Yes, sir. Huh? Jazz got it? Yeah, he already did the template. I gotta go get it. He already did the template. I ain't pulled the sugar on what design I want to do yet. I'm gonna hit y'all in the back in a minute, man. Just want to let y'all see these B bodies out here. Look at them booties. Woo, that thing big. Big old booty. Them ain't even BBL, that cornbread fed. Them ain't even BBL right there, boy. That's original ass. Hit y'all in a minute, man. Back at the spot. Y'all see Blak back there, man, getting his footage, man. You dig what I'm saying? Man, get out my picture, man. What's wrong with you? Might want to be in the picture, man. You cute? You want to be cute? I'm in your way. Under these lights, man. Y'all see them lights? She talking up under there. Huh? Alright, holla. Shit, be careful, nigga. Alright. What's up? Blak gonna pull around. Then there was one. Yes, sir. Now MayRose finna head on to the house. But we ain't got nobody to play with. We ain't got nobody to play with. So we finna go ahead to the crib. U-turn. Bro, I'm so sick of this nigga, bro. This Boots, man. Boots in that old purple Hellcat.